Today we're going to talk about how you can create passive income online. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Alright, so let's talk about passive income. And first of all, what is passive income and how do you create passive income? And that's what I want to talk about in this video. Those two questions are usually the ones that I get a lot by email and on many of my YouTube videos. There's plenty of ways to create passive income. You can do real estate, you can do stocks, you can do investments. There's a lot of different ways to create passive income, but I want to talk about how to make passive income online. Building a business online that puts money in your pocket every single month, whether you work on it or not. That is basically the definition of passive income. You putting money in your pocket for something that you have created in the past or worked on in the past, and it continues to pay you every single month. So I'm going to give you 3 examples of how you can create passive income. So if you're working right now and you go to a job and you're getting a paycheck, that is not passive income because you're trading your time for money. If you've been watching my videos on YouTube for a while, if you checked out any of my videos on YouTube, you know that I make most of my money from building audiences on Facebook. I have large Facebook pages that generate thousands of dollars per month by building blogs. These blogs require a lot of effort on a weekly and monthly basis to put new content and new information in order to continue to make money from them. If I stop publishing content on those blogs and doing anything else, basically my income would drop because it requires consistent amounts of work and content and people. Now, even though I could say that that is passive income because I'm not doing most of the work, I have freelancers who are posting on a daily and weekly basis for me and handle the entire process, I don't consider that passive income. I do make passive income from some affiliate products and some affiliate stuff that I've been doing over the past few years, but it's not a large amounts of money like the people which I'm going to show you in this video. So let's talk about the very first way to make passive income: building your own course or digital product. You have a skill, you know how to do something, you can probably put that into a digital course and you can sell it to people on your own website, or you can use many of the websites out there to sell your own stuff, your digital products. 2 simple examples of how you can do this is if you go to udemy.com, you'll find that there's a lot of people who have created digital products where they're teaching all sorts of information in many different niches and categories. There's also teachable.com. It's basically the same thing. You create a product, you upload your videos or information into the website, and basically they promote it for you, and when someone buys that product, then you get paid. If you have something that people want to buy and you get just 1 sale per day over the next 12 months, that could be a significant amount of money, and that is considered passive income. There's people online, there's online marketers who make millions of dollars every single year because they have created digital products that basically make them millions of dollars every single year. Now, the advantage of using something like Udemy or Teachable is that they already have a built-in audience. So you don't have to spend a lot of money promoting it. I mean, you can promote it if you want to. That will probably give you more sales, but that allows you to utilize the traffic that they already have to generate sales. And I would say that blogging, it's considered to be one of the simplest ways to build passive income, but it's a lot slower than trying to sell your own digital product, because with blogging you're simply building an audience, and that usually takes a lot of time. Now, if you want to see a great example of how to build passive income with a blog, you can check out Pat Flynn. He has a great blog called Smart Passive Income, where he teaches people how he builds passive income with niche blogging, and he basically documents the whole journey from beginning to end on how he makes his money. He went from basically nothing to making millions of dollars every single year with his blog. Now, that actually wasn't done overnight, but it tells you that there's a possibility, there's an opportunity out there that if you want to build a strong income online, a passive income with a blog, you can do that. It will take hard work. It's going to take you some time and money to get started, but if you like doing it, if you enjoy doing it, that could turn into a full-time income for you in a matter of months or years. Now, the last one that I want to share with you is what I believe it's the best way to build passive income apart from building your own digital course or starting a blog. That's because it's utilizing platforms that already have millions of people on them every single day to build your personal brand. You can do it on Facebook, you can do it on YouTube, Instagram. Building an audience and building your own personal brand is the best way to build passive income online. Like this channel, for example, I'm doing this channel because I enjoy talking about the things that I have learned with online marketing. I enjoy helping people, teaching them how they can start a business online. And this is something that I do not just for the possibility of making more money, but also because I enjoy doing it, and I've been doing it for close to a year without making any money whatsoever from it. I want to show you an example of someone who started posting content on YouTube, building an audience. Today, he makes over $50,000 per month on YouTube. That channel that I want to show you, it's Jeremy from Financial Education. This is a channel with, as of this video, with over 200,000 subscribers, and he talks about stocks, investments, and he started doing this as a way to just share content and be able to talk about the things that he was passionate about. In one of his videos just last year, he talked about his best month was about 3,000 something per month from videos that he had created months before. So I consider that to be passive income because he's making money from the work that he did in the past, and he continues to make more money every single month. In fact, recently he did an interview where he talked about how he makes $50,000 per month and the difference from 1 year to today, where he's able to make over $20,000 per month on YouTube alone. That is the power of building an audience. You can build an audience on Instagram, you can build an audience on Facebook or on YouTube. If you're able to play the long-term game and not look at it as a way to make a buck, and actually teaching people and actually helping people and doing it because you love doing it, sooner or later that's going to turn into a passive income source, because not only are you going to have an opportunity to monetize your content, but at the same time you're going to have an audience where you can make even more money by launching products, digital courses, and whatever it is that you want to do. Of the three things that I just mentioned to build passive income online, I would choose to build a personal brand. Now, you might be saying, well, I don't want to do YouTube videos. I don't enjoy being on camera. I don't like recording videos. That's fine. You can build an audience on Instagram. You can build a page where you talk about the things that you want. You upload pictures and videos about the things that you really enjoy. You can grow that into hundreds of thousands of followers on Instagram, and then you can utilize that audience to make money. You can start a blog and you can talk about the things that you're passionate about. You can choose a niche, something that you really enjoy talking about, and you can become an expert in that niche. And by becoming an expert, you're going to be building an audience of people who have an interest in learning of what you have to say. I believe you should be building an audience first. Once you have an audience, whether that's on YouTube, a blog, Facebook page, whatever that is, once you have that audience, then you can find new ways to monetize that audience by launching your own products and services. And if you want to learn how to build an income online, just make sure that you grab my free affiliate marketing guide below. I have some information that might help you get started with building a passive income online, and it's completely free. So if you have any questions about anything that I talked about in this video, make sure to leave me a comment in the comment section below. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed, and hopefully I'll see you on my next video.